Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we are going to make Begun Bhaja. Begun Bhaja is Bengali style fried brinjals, also known as aubergines or eggplants. This crispy Begun Bhaja serves as an accompaniment with khichdi, dal chawal. It pairs very well. So today's menu is set. My dal chawal is ready and let's fry the Begun Bhaja and enjoy our simple comfort meal. To make Begun Bhaja, select a large variety of brinjals, the ones we use for bharta. Wash them very well and wipe with a kitchen towel. And then here we have 1 tablespoon of rice flour. You can also use gram flour or whole wheat flour or corn flour. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, which is optional but it helps in caramelizing, gives a lovely texture and color, and salt to taste. And here we have mustard oil. You may also use normal oil instead, but I recommend mustard oil because this gives authentic flavor to the dish. First we are going to slice the brinjals. Cut out the stem and make thick slices. From one large brinjal you get 5 to 6 slices. So this way you cut them into thick slices. Now both the brinjals are done and now we are going to marinate them. Take a wide dish or a plate. Add all the ingredients except oil. Mix them well. And now we are going to coat the brinjal slices with this mix. Traditionally, they used to only coat them with salt and turmeric powder, but then we add this rice flour or whole wheat flour to give a nice and crispy texture to the brinjals. Now this is done. With your hand, spread the masala very well on each slice again. You can see that the turmeric powder is showing up very well, giving a beautiful color and look to these brinjal slices. Traditional methods are always really good. So this, we are on to the last slice, nearly done. Okay. Here we go. Wrap the dish with a cling film. And then you can just fry the brinjals just before you serve your meals. Until then, let them get marinated well. Now heat the oil. Mustard oil has to be heated very well and then reduce the flame. Cool it a bit. Now add the marinated brinjals carefully. If you don't like mustard oil, you may use normal cooking oil, any cooking oil, or you can use half and half, whatever you wish. Now keep adjusting the flame also high and low while you are frying. And the traditional way is to deep fry them. These taste really very good, but if you are calorie conscious, You may pan fry or shallow fry them, but the taste is not going to be the same. Flip them a couple of times until they become golden brown. Remove them on a kitchen towel. Each batch may take about 5 to 6 minutes. Here we have done. I fried all the slices in 2 batches. Place a tissue on top to remove the excess oil. Now arrange them on a serving platter. The Begun Bhaja is ready for you. Look at the lovely color, and they are so flavorful. The mustard oil gives the real flavor to these, and deep fried ones are definitely tastier than the pan fried ones. Once in a way, it's okay to indulge in fried stuff, isn't it? So make this delicious Begun Bhaja and enjoy with your family. As I mentioned earlier, pair them with simple dal chawal or khichdi. They make a perfect combo. Nothing can be better than a simple comfort meal of dal chawal and Begun Bhaja. Hope you like this recipe and are going to give it a try. Do share the feedback with me when you make. Friends, if you are enjoying my recipes, share the videos with your friends also, and I'll soon be back with one more interesting recipe. Bye until then, happy cooking. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out in case you have missed out watching any. Have a nice day.